Welcome to day 1 of our 30 Days Speaking Challenge.
Today, we're starting with something simple, but powerful. Greetings.
The first words you say to someone can set the mood for the entire conversation.
And in English, there are many ways to greet someone. If you only use hello every time, it can sound a little repetitive.
That's why today we'll give you more than 10 natural greetings you can start using right away. And we'll practice them together so you sound confident and friendly from the very first word.
Why greetings matter.
Think about it. When you meet someone, you have only a few seconds to make a good impression.
Exactly. A warm greeting can make someone smile, relax, and feel comfortable talking to you.
But a cold or boring greeting, that can make the conversation end before it starts.
So let's make sure your greetings are not only correct, but also natural and full of energy.
Greeting number 1. Hi there.
Friendly, casual, and works with almost anyone. Repeat after me, slowly. Hi there. Again, but with a smile. Hi there.
Greeting number 2. Hey.
Very casual, for friends or people you know well. Repeat after me. Hey.
Greeting number 3. Good to see you.
Warm and personal. Great for meeting someone after some time. Repeat after me. Good to see you.
Greeting number 4. Hi, everyone.
This is perfect for greeting a group. Imagine you walk into a room of friends or classmates. Hi, everyone.
Greeting number 5. Morning or good morning.
Short and casual. Morning. More polite. Good morning.
Greeting number 6. Good afternoon.
Use this after lunch until evening. Repeat. Good afternoon.
Greeting number 7. Good evening.
Use this after sunset. Repeat. Good evening.
Greeting number 8. How's it going?
Casual and friendly. Repeat after me. How's it going? And you can answer, it's going well, thanks.
Greeting number 9. What's up?
Very informal, mostly with friends. Repeat. What's up?
You can answer, not much. How about you? Greeting number 10. How have you been?
Great for meeting someone after a long time. Repeat. How have you been?
You can answer, I've been good, thanks. Greeting number 11. It's been a while, or long time no see.
Both mean you haven't met for a long time. Repeat. It's been a while. And long time no see.
Greeting number 12. Hiya.
Very casual British greeting. Repeat after me. Hiya.
Now let's do them all one by one.
Ready? Repeat after us. Hi there. Hey. Good to see you. Hi, everyone. Morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How's it going? What's up? How have you been? It's been a while. Long time no see. Hiya.
Great work! Today you learned more than 10 greetings.
Your job now is to use at least 2 of them in real life today.
Remember, the more you use them, the more natural they will feel.
And tomorrow, we'll take another step forward in your speaking journey. See you in day 2.